You just made an amazing first step into learning testing with React and TypeScript. Let's see in this initial very important lecture how this course is structured and what is the best way for you to take it. Well, here on the screen there's the outline of this course. In this first section we will get a course introduction and we will set up our tools. Then we will get some testing theory, only the theory, the general testing theory in the section 2. Then in section 3 we will start to test with React. We will set up our projects, we will set up testing for React with Jest or with Vitest. And then from section 4 we will go over some basic and very important points about React testing, let's say the foundation of React testing. Then in section 6 we will see how we can use mocks, spies, test doubles, and we will see how we can test asynchronous code. In section 7 we will see how we can test React routing projects. In section 8 we will talk about other testing topics that weren't covered until this point. And in section 9 we will see how we can apply what we learned until that point into putting all the tests inside a CI/CD pipeline with the assistance of GitHub Actions. Section 11 contains a full TypeScript recap. So this course focuses on testing React with TypeScript. So if you're not familiar with TypeScript, you can take first this last section, section 11. If you are already familiar with TypeScript, at that point, when you will reach it, you can simply skip it. Well, how to follow this course? I want to point out a very important point, that the course has a fast pace and I will cut out most of my typing because the code is already available as a resource for you from multiple sources. You can take it from the GitHub repository, you can take it from the section intros, you can even take it from the GitHub divs attached to each coding lecture. Don't forget, there's a TypeScript recap at the end of this course. Let's now move on into the next lecture and get some very important Udemy tips for you to get the best experience with this course.